right, guys, it's time to get serious. So, turbo upgrade is the next step for the build. Port injection and stuff coming after that, but went ahead and got this on Black Friday, got a great deal. So I went with the GC Mid, and I did the optional intake and MAF housing sensor. So here's our filter it comes with, and our inlet hose, and then the bad boy himself. So let's go ahead and go over what's all in the box besides these. So like I said, I've got the turbo. Now, of course, I've already opened it, had to check it all out, but we have a Vargas lanyard, and also a low license plate frame. So I probably won't put this up, or put this on rather, I'll just put it up somewhere. But yeah, other than that, we have just the receipt stuff, and then you'll have your Google information, and I'm a fat fuck, so I already ate the gummy bears that came with it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and check everything out. All right, so obviously not much to look at here. It's just a regular filter, but nice silicone design, and it is still reinforced, so don't gotta worry about it collapsing. Comes with the clamps, obviously. We have our connections for our temperature probe and our vacuum. So those look good. Filter wise, I didn't notice, but this is actually metal, at least here on the bottom. This whole MAF housing is held on by this C-clamp. So really nice construction. Filter looks good quality, and it's got BBT on the inside. But now let's go ahead and check out the back. We got the Vargas Turbo GC Mid for the B58 TU. And God, I just can't get over that compressor wheel. Sucks I'll never be able to see it, but hey, we'll know it's there. So this is next step mid from the Vargas GC, which is actually the original plan, but they had a inventory mix up on the website, and that was out of stock, and they offered me a really good deal for this to upgrade, and couldn't pass that up, so here we are. So this has the same compressor size as the GC, except now we have a cast turbine housing and a larger G30 size exhaust wheel. A little wastegate. So yeah, this is capable of putting, I think it's rated at 650, but I know when they're testing in their dyno, they put down a good 690, 680 with over 700 torque. So definitely plenty of power, especially being on stock trans. But yeah, hopefully as soon as the holidays are over, throw this bad boy in there. Weather's probably gonna fight it for tuning wise, but at least should have it on and get some good runs in. But yeah, so be watching out the next few weeks for the install video, and see you guys then. So yeah, this is gonna be part of the new setup on the car. I'm gonna get rid of the meth, and eventually whenever the remnant kit releases, we'll go ahead and we'll send it on the manifold and PI to really put this turbo to use. So stock wise, the Supra fuel system's good for around 600 wheel, probably more like 580, 590 on E-Mix. So we'll run that for now, see where that gets us. And yeah, I'm super excited. If you got any questions, just leave a comment down below. Thanks.